Hello, welcome. My name is Walter. We have exponential equation here. We are going to solve together. We need to solve for x and y. They have given to us 3 power x minus 2 multiplied by 2 power 3y minus 3 is equal to 72. Here we have the base of 3 and 2 to the left hand side. I'm going to make a number with the base of 3 and 2 to the right hand side from 72. Now we have 3 power x minus 2 multiplied by 2 power 3y minus 3. This is equal to 72 is the same as 9 multiplied by 8 is equal to 9 multiplied by 8. I'm going to put 9 and 8 into power form. 3 power x minus 2 multiplied by 2 power 3y minus 3. This is equal to 9 is the same as 3 power 2 multiplied by 8 is the same as 2 power 3. At this stage, I have the base of 3 and 2 to the left hand side and the base of 3 and 2 to the right hand side. Here, I can compare the same base to the right hand side and the left hand side. 3 power x minus 2, this is equal to, I'll compare by 3 power 2. If we have a power b, this is equal to a power c. If the base are the same, exponent is going to be the same. Now b is equal to c. In that case, I have a base of 3 here and I have a base of 3. Now x minus 2 is equal to 2. We have x minus 2. This is equal to 2. Now x is equal to 2 plus 2, which is going to give us x is equal to 4. Already we get the value of x. Now let's go and find the value of y. The value of y, we are going to compare 2 power 3y minus 3 and 2 power 3. Since the base are the same, 2 power 3y minus 3, this is equal to 2 power 3. If we have a power b, this is equal to a power c. If the base are the same, the exponent is the same. Now b is equal to c. The same way, here we have a base of 2 and here we have a base of 2. So exponent are equal. Now 3y minus 3, this is equal to 3. 3y, bring 3 to the right hand side. This will be equal to 6. 3y equal to 6. I'll divide by 3. I'll divide by 3. By 3, 1. By 3, I get 1. By 3, I get 1. By 3, 2. Now, y is equal to 2. The value of y is equal to 2. The value of x is equal to 4. And the value of y is equal to 2. Let's do question number 2. They have given to us 5 power x plus 4, take away 5 power x plus 3 is equal to 100. We need to solve for x. First, I'm going to split 5 power x plus 4 and 5 power x plus 3 into its product form. We know if we have a power m plus n, this is equal to a power m multiplied by a power n. Now 5 power x plus 4 is the same as 5 power x multiplied by 5 power 4, take away 5 power x multiplied by 5 power 3. This is equal to 100. I'm going to factor out 5 power x. I'm going to remain with 5 power 4, take away 5 power 3. This is equal to 100. Still, I can factor out 5 power 3, 5 power x multiplied by, I will factor out 5 power 3. It's going to remain 5 minus 1. This is equal to 100. 5 power x multiplied by 5 power 3. 5 take away 1. We remain with 4. This is equal to 100. I'm going to divide by 5 power 3 multiplied by 4, both sides. So I'll divide by 5 power 3 multiplied by 4. And here I'm going to divide by 5 power 3 multiplied by 4. I can simplify here. I get 1. By 5 power 3, I get 1. By 4, 1. And here by 4, I get 1. By 4, I get 1. By 4, I'll get 25. 5 power x, this is equal to 25 is the same as 5 multiplied by 5 over 5 power 3 is the same as 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. We can simplify here. By 5, 1, by 5, 1, by 5, 1, by 5, I get 1. So I remain with only 1 to the denominator. Now, 5 power x is equal to 1 over 5. I'm going to reciprocate 1 over 5. I'll get 5 power x. This is equal to 5 power negative 1. We have the same base. Now, the exponent, they are equal. Now, x is equal to negative 1. I hope you understand the two questions that we have done together. For more video on exponential equation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.